Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to talk to you today about Instasmile. So I know if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen a lot of my posts that my teeth have changed, and that is all down to Instasmile. So I just want to talk to you about what product I got and the style and colour, so that if you are looking to get one, you know exactly what to order. From start to finish, the process for me was super easy. Neve on the Instasmile team has been absolutely incredible, helping me make sure that my smile is perfect. So I got the classic set. I got that in upper and lower. I got the full set because I had the upper before, and without the bottom set it just didn't really look right, so I wanted to have the full effect of the Instasmile by getting the full set, both of them. So let's talk about colour. You have options to go from BL1 through to, I think it's A3, which is the least white. So BL1 is super white. I have got the one down from that, which is the more of a natural white. So I'm just going to show you. So this is the colour A1, I believe, the more natural white. The BL1 is like Simon Cowell white, so if you want really bright white Essex smile teeth, then I would go for that colour. So I'm just going to talk to you about my teeth and why I chose the set that I've got. So I've taken them out now, as you can tell. For me, I have this tooth at the front, which is discoloured. It is a composite like veneer, so it's a filling that is over the front of my tooth. And you can tell that is now discoloured because I do drink a lot of coffee. And then last year also I had the tooth at the side. I had that taken out, so that gap is not closed at all. It's not really going to close, I don't think. So I wanted to cover that as well. And then also here I have sort of a fang sticks out here, and then this tooth sits quite far behind. So I wanted to have that so that it was perfectly straight across the front of my teeth and just brings them out a little bit more. So for my top set, this is my top set. I wanted the straightening effect on this one, so it did straighten my teeth a lot more, so that's this set. Super easy to put in, and now that I'm used to talking in them as well, it's a lot better. And then for my bottom set, I wanted, because I'm not really fussed about my bottom teeth, they're not really that bad. They're a bit gappy at the front, but I knew that that would cover it anyway. So I just went for the natural fit on the bottom set. And then together they fit just really nicely. So since getting my Instasmile, I wear it pretty much all the time. You can get the classic set or the set that you are meant to wear if you wear them every single day, but it is slightly bulkier, so it might be harder to sort of talk in them. And I do have a little bit of a lisp anyway when I talk, so I thought that if I go for the classic set, it's going to fit much more natural in my mouth, and I'll be able to speak a lot clearer. When I did get them, though, I was struggling a little bit to get my S's out. They sounded a little bit funny. But now that I've been wearing them every single day since I've had them, basically, that they're fine to talk and you get used to it pretty quickly. I'd probably say around about a week. And when I'm out, not a lot of people actually notice. I think I've been asked once if my teeth are mine. Other than that, everybody says that you can't tell. When I'm like, oh, don't tell anyone, it's veneers, like, shh, keep it a secret. Most of the people are like, you actually can't tell, you just look like you've got really amazing teeth. So it's definitely given me the confidence that I needed. I mean, I smile all the time. Teeth is something that people see straight away. And for me, these have just given me that confidence that I needed to not have to worry about smiling all the time. So if you want teeth like this, then I would go and check out Instasmile. I'll leave a link in the description box below anyway, and if you do have any more questions or anything that I've missed, I'll be doing an updated video very soon on how I'm getting on with them. So if you leave all your questions in the box below, I'll make sure that I answer them in the next video. So that is all about my Instasmile.